Hello everyone, I'm Lacey, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do natural brows using Benefit Cosmetics. I'm only going to be using two brow products today. This is Gimme Brow Plus, and this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. We're going to get into it with Gimme Brow Plus. And this is personally my favorite brow product that they have because, especially if you have actual eyebrows, it's really easy to sculpt them in the way that you want them to and to fill them in. I like to make upward strokes towards the middle and then swoop the spoolie brush towards the tail. And it's real easy to get your brows nice and filled in. Make sure I don't drop anything. And as you're doing this, it makes it easier and easier to really figure out what the natural shape your brow makes. All right. Now that we have that, we're going to get into the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And this is really cool because on the tip, you have the choice of using the more precise side or the wide side. So if you wanted to, you could even fill your brows in and blend it out with the spoolie brush that's hidden on the other end. Or you can create little hairs and a precise tail with a little pointier side. But I'm going to take this and I'm going to make my brows a little more defined. And this is a shade darker than the Gimme Brow Plus. And then blend that in a little bit. And that is how I get my natural brows. This is usually how I do my brows because it's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and it doesn't require too much work to actually get a good brow shape. And for blondes, I recommend using shades 1, 2, or 3 because, you know, with how I bleach my hair out and everything, my eyebrows are naturally darker, and it lightens them up, not horrendously, but just about right using shades 2 and 3. I'm going to show you guys how to do contour brows using Benefit Cosmetics. So there are 3 products. There's Ka-Brow, Highbrow, and Benefit's Foolproof Brow Powder. One to fill the brows in, one to outline them, and one to bring up the brow bone. So first, I'm going to use Cabrow, and what's really cool about this is that there's a little brush hidden in there, and then you twist off the bottom, and it's a cream gel brow product right there. I'm gonna take some of this, and I'm going to outline the shape of the brow that I want, and this is really, really precise. I love the little brush that's hidden in there. It's so cute. And speaking of Benefit's packaging, their packaging's always so cute. You get a really nice, precise line with this. And it's also nice if you want to draw in some more little hairs as well. Make sure they're as even as they can be. Alright, and I'm gonna fill them in with the Foolproof Brow Powder. I absolutely love the packaging. It is so, so cute. It looks like a little jewelry box that would be on top of a 1950s vanity. And what's really cute too is that, well, there's a mirror up here, but the powder is actually shaped like an eyebrow. I'm going to use Benefit's angle brush for this, instead of the little brush that it comes with. But what's really cool about the brush that it comes with is that not only do you get a little tiny brush like that, but you get a spoolie brush that's hidden on the inside. So using the lighter shade, I'm going to fill in towards the middle first. And do the same for the other side. And then I'm going to take the darker shade and put it over here. And then blend it a little bit with this spoolie brush. And then the final step, and this is probably, you know, always my favorite step when it comes to brows, is cleaning up the bottom. So we're going to highlight the brow bone using Highbrow. And just get right in there. And it's a nice subtle color. It's not too bright and it's not too dim. And then I'm going to blend that out a little bit with my finger. And those are my contour brows. I'm going to be showing you how to do straight brows using Benefit Cosmetics. I'm going to be using their Gimme Brow Plus as well as Ka-Brow. Taking the brush off of the top of it, I'm going to use this product to really get that straight brow. So I'm going along the base of the brow, and since I have very arched brows, I'm going to do my best to smooth that out and give myself the straightest brows I possibly can. And doing the same on the other side. This is very interesting because I always make sure I have like a big arch in my brow. I'm low-key trying to make them reminiscent of Audrey Hepburn's eyebrows. That was her signature brow look. They were more straight and had kind of like a angle going towards the top, but not really towards the bottom. Making sure they're both even. Alright, now that we have that, I'm going to use the Gimme Brow Plus and blend that into Ka-Brow. And I'm kind of feathering out the hair towards the middle just to give it a little more texture. All right. Using my two favorite products from Benefit's eyebrow line, Gimme Brow Plus and Ka-Brow, both in shade 2, I managed to give myself straight brows. I think these are cool. They're more angular than I usually wear my eyebrows, but they're very precise. And I think they fit my face well too. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you want to see more of my makeup looks, actually, along with that, if you follow my Instagram already, you'll see that I already did, I entered into Benefits brow search with contour brows and natural brows, though unfortunately I don't think I got into it this time, but there's always next year. But I didn't get a chance to do the straight brows, so here they are. And if you want to keep tabs on my makeup looks and all my art projects and everything, please follow my Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time.